It's also a very nice day on the 20th of July 2023. I like the sounds in here.
Same.
And it's a bottom rim traction. Also Kone fixtures. Also deserves two rides.
Yeah.
It's here in Liipola, Lahti is Finland. It's Pohjoinen Liipolankatu, is it?
Yes.
And the building 16 is stage C.
Okay.
Okay. As these four bursts of maintenance. 1971, Royce 1997, and December 25419. Turned 50 years old in 2019, and the Moses turned 25 years old in the last year of 2022. I like this man in here.
Same.
We'll be expecting in the next year, 2024. Have to press it properly. I'd like to check the valve button. It gets a bit plugged up, but sometimes you have to press properly. Yeah, that's alright.
Niin teetpaakin vain pitää meidän pautissa, so nowadays practice.
It's a good thing that they made them this fast for only 6 floors. I like the interior here. It's very similar to those that they have in Sweden a lot also.